The Tech56 with OBD is an all-in-one TPMS service tool dedicated for all TPMS service needs for small to large volume shops. The Tech56 TPMS toolkit comes with the Tech56 TPMS tool, TPMS relearn magnet, OBD2 module with cable, wall charger, and CD with user manual and software WebVT. It is easy to use right out of the box, and you can expect functions such as check TPMS system, service TPMS, program sensors, search vehicle history, settings, tool training, and tire tread reading. Powerful features such as the VIN scan barcode reader reads a vehicle's make, model, and year in seconds. With the best vehicle coverage on the market, you can reset domestic, European, and Asian TPMS systems in less than 2 minutes. The Tech56 works with most OEM and most aftermarket sensors. Program and clone TPMS sensors in just a few steps. Save time and perform additional diagnostic services during tire service, rotations, tire sensor evaluation, and reset procedures. Endorsed by thousands and with a platform of continuous development, we guarantee you will love this tool.